Hello mining professionals. Do you know 78% of mining companies incur losses of $6.8 million due to use of low quality drill rods and jackhammers? Let's understand the reason behind the substantial losses that we have been bearing for years. Typically, mining companies suffers the most from low quality drill rods. These low quality drill rods frequently break. It has been found in nearly all mining companies that 40% of drill rods break and become useless, while the remaining 60% wear out before their time, making them unsuitable for work. Low quality drill rods also drill very slow, which significantly hampers the drilling process. Now let's talk about jackhammers. Do you know that your jackhammer is using more air than necessary? Low quality jackhammers consume a lot of air, which places a heavy load on compressor, leading to excessive oil consumption. Additionally, this causes a significant reduction in jackhammer speed. We have also found that most mining companies using substandard jackhammers experience a lifespan of only 6 to 7 months for a jackhammer, while a good quality jackhammer should last at least 3 years. So my friends, due to these reasons, using poor quality drill rods and jackhammers can result in loss of up to $11,300 in your company in just 1 year. Now let's talk about the jackhammers and drill rods from companies like Atlas Copco and Sandvik. Even if you are using products from these imported companies, you may still be incurring sufficient losses. Let's find out how. Generally, you find duplicate products of Atlas Copco and Sandvik in the market. The biggest issue with imported goods is the availability of genuine products. Another major problem is that 90% of the time imported companies' products are delivered late. This can force you to use either low quality drill rods or delay the start of your project. Due to these reasons as well, you are incurring huge losses. So my friends, I, Puneet Jain, Director of Swastik Drilling Company Limited, request you not to compromise with your success. Do not waste all your hard work by using low quality drill machines or drill rods. Get your equipment audited by our equipment audit expert. The cost of this audit is 5,000 rupees, but we are offering the first 3 qualified inquiries this audit for free. So message us quickly on the number visible on your screen and take the first step in saving your company from substantial losses. Thank you.